just wanted a quick discussion about the tools that you'll need to install your cassette on the Neo 2. You got your cassette, the lock ring is already installed. These are the tools you need to tighten. This is a Norbar torque wrench. This is a TTI 50. They don't make this anymore, unfortunately. I already have it set to 40 Newton meters, you can see. We also have Park Tool chain whip. This is the 1-inch socket that goes with the torque wrench, and the reason for that is that the cassette lock ring tool happens to fit in there perfectly. So the next thing we're going to do is tighten this up, and I need to move this to the floor so that we can do it. Alright guys, so the next step is we're going to tighten the cassette lock ring with the lock ring tool, our torque wrench, and the chain whip. So the chain whip, there's usually a little bit of confusion about the orientation of the end of the chain here. You basically just want to point that in the direction of the device you're using for leverage. So if we're tightening it, you want the chain to face to the right. If we're loosening it, you want the chain to face to the left. That's kind of the simplest way to think about it. So in our case, we're tightening it, so we want this to be to the right. When you're putting this on the cassette, you want to make sure that it's mostly vertical because you want to have leverage here. That's the most important thing. If you have it way out here or horizontal, you're not going to be able to get the leverage that you need. The lock ring installation. And here we go. So the sound that you're listening for is the big snap of the torque wrench. And when it snaps, you know that you're tight. That was the snap. And you'll hear it snap back as well. And now you know you're at 40 Newton meters.